Welcome everyone to another unboxing video. This time we are dealing with the new, well, I don't know how new this is, but I bought myself a Monster portable speaker. I had one previous before for quite a few years until it got water damage in a rainstorm, so I got myself a new one that's actually water resistant, so that'd be helpful. But mainly I'm gonna be using this at work, or possibly how I use it with this monitor. Even how this monitor for some reason doesn't have really its own speakers, so that's a little setup to that. But yeah, I had experience with Monster before, like I said, with my previous portable speaker, and I just recently, for the last few months, I've been using these Monster Personas, which they are very good. Thanks to these, is like I honestly I can't recommend Beats anymore. Like these ones were, the drivers were much better, and I'm wondering if that's going to be the same case with these. So we're definitely going to check these out. But yeah, let's see, on the box you see stereo pairing, oh, it has SD Card Playback. Oh, so you can actually store stuff in it. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, pure Monster sound. Yeah. If this camera can focus. I guess not. Yeah, it is like really not trying to focus on that. Come on. There you go. Yeah, your hands-free calls, stereo pairing, all that. What? Come on, bruh. You have your IPX5 water resistance, voice control, portable lanyard. That's basically what's going to be coming out in the box. And then you have your message from the head of Monster here. I don't know why my camera is struggling to actually stabilize, but anyway. We go and unbox this thing, and yeah, I'll be right back as I open this package, because yeah, I don't think this one probably be pretty tricky to get out, but we'll see. Okay, so on the top outright, you have your charging cable. It's gonna be in here. Come on. Go through another unboxing. I don't damage the box itself. And here it is. Oh, this is a lot bigger. Oh yeah, this is a lot bigger than my other one was. Okay, so then obviously you got your power button going up and down. I'm wondering if that's the pairing button or is that the voice controls. Doesn't even say that. Not even an instructions book, unless it's. Oh, actually, it may be in this thing. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, open this. Okay, so that's number 2. It's the multi-function button. Oh, okay. Because I remember with my Stonas here, this button here, if my camera would, there we go. That power button there actually acted as a multi-function button. And you had your active noise canceling there. This one, I deal with like phone calls and whatnot. Pausing and audioing video and music. So I'm wondering if that's gonna be the same case with this, which means this is actually now they actually separated that button. But yeah. Your function indicator. Also, I'm guessing that's gonna light up. The microphone is actually just above it there. Actually, there you go. I probably should have started the video like that. Good gosh. Anyway. Yeah, actual protective covering here, which with this being USB-C, is less chance for water damage. And oh yeah, there's the micro SD. Wait, can I actually fit an actual regular SD slot? Like more of a micro SD? Anyway, that's interesting that you can actually put memory into this, so it can actually play on its own, instead of having to like parry on another device. That's actually unique. I've actually not seen many portable speakers that do that. You guys know, and let me know in the comments. But yeah, I've never come across a portable speaker that does that. But anyway, just before we end off the video, we are going to definitely test this out. And see how it sounds. I'm probably gonna test it out on my PS5 here. And yeah, so I'll be right back. Alright, so the unfortunate thing, I couldn't get it to connect to my PS5, but so testing it on my PC here. Yeah, playing Street Fighter 6 theme. See how loud it can get.
For my kinfolk, and I put on for my city from the intro. Let's go. I put that time in. My pride is up the roof, I get that grind in. So I'ma tell the truth, I get my grind on. You know the pressure make all of these diamonds. I tell them get back, step back, fast track. see the stress, How about it? I'm scheming up, right around in the dreaming.
So far from here, you don't get much bass out of this, but I'll try and test it on other devices to see how it goes. And yeah, that's the unboxing to the Monster S130 portable speaker. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and share. And if you're new to the channel and you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel. Follow my social medias in the description down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys all on the next one. Till then, you have a good one, and deuces.